Guys, that's La Hardy. That's my precious truck. Silverado V8. Pretty nice and suited up. This is my OBS I just purchased today. Barn find. It's a badass little truck. V8 5.7 with 172 original miles. It's our first wash since 2008. So it's a little bit of work. Needs this, but I already have it here. So I just need to clean it up and install it. Wash all this up. Dash, it's gonna need a new dash. That's the miles, 172. It's a little bit low. And it's a headliner. Carpet looks no rips. Looks pretty good, just a good detail. Has a busted rear window. So we're gonna get to it. Hopefully it's back and running in a couple of weeks. Wait for the updates. Put some nice rims, sunroof, cowl hood. I'm gonna change the bed or probably keep that one. Maybe keep some 20s by 10 in the back, 20s by 9 or 8 in the front. Make it look good. All original from the inside. All the dash and every time I buy it, install it, has to look like new inside. This is my baby. Okay guys, wait for the updates. I'll be posting videos every week about the process on that one. Okay guys.